But can you say today we're making bone?
Okay, today we make the bone noodle. Okay. Beef bone. Okay. Yeah.
Do you have how much you have or
I don't know.
just whatever?
Yeah. Beef. I don't know. Beef.
I don't know. It has the femur bones, right?
Yeah.
Femur bones with bone marrow.
If you don't like it, don't put.
Okay. Pork feet. You boil to
Yeah.
blanch the bone.
Lemongrass and sugar cane, salt, some.
Chicken bouillon.
Yeah.
And MSG or sugar?
MSG.
3 spoons salt, 1 spoon MSG.
Yeah.
That's the right ratio. Cold or ice water after you blanch the bones?
Yeah. And clean everything. You put clean in the like meat. White. Clean meat the white.
Till it's
fish,
clear.
Look like fish.
Looks like fish?
Fish.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Faye said that he wants me to make this for him in Hawaii.
Oh.
Yeah, so I learned from you today. Just
He meets Bob.
yeah, I know. He said he'll come see you.
He meets Bob.
Obviously snowing outside. Beautiful. Grandma said come collect some ice. Fresh snow.
Bà thì bà rửa sơ thôi, nhưng mà con làm thì con phải làm kỹ rồi nha. Khi nào bôi á,
Once it starts boiling,
bôi,
okay,
don't take off the fat, take off the
you take everything out.
yeah, take out
And,
the
and
water.
you throw it out, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't worry about the skimming. You don't
No time. We don't know how big, how small.
What other bones can you use for this?
Put all
Anything?
everything in there. Let's make the thing better.
It's cooking.
Yeah.
Lots of the blood out already.
Yeah.
So now we pour it out.
And then pour water off.
Put down.
So you don't
Put
burn
down.
the.
Pour everything down.
Oh, pour everything in it?
Yeah. Clean it. What's all?
Clean the pot to make sure the broth is extra clear.
This.
Okay.
See. Put in here.
Younger.
This is shaking as it's heating up.
Don't do it like that.
Yes.
New pot.
This meat harder, okay?
Harder?
Yeah. But if soft meat you can cut. Bà thì bà cut before bà clean up. Bà have a time. Bà cut slice. But now this meat harder. We put all things together. 1
Yeah.
hour, 2 hours you slice. You put the ice. Meat clean. Look. Spider, clean them.
Yeah.
But if not, dark. The meat too dark.
So, has to be ice water?
Yeah, ice water better.
What is causing the meat to be dark is because the meat is still hot inside. So when it has good temperature to cool down, then the meat will look nice and presentable.
Put the salt here. Cái chỗ nó clear chấm thầu là nó bôi lên thành màu trắng. Cái sốt nữa mà.
One spoon MSG.
That's all. 1 drop sugar. Later on, to put more water in here, okay?
Okay.
If you like onion, we put onion tao hơn quá. If you want onions there, bà không bỏ onion because onion you take up the spoil something. Put there, okay? Cut this. See? You have cut this because
Cut at
this is
angle.
different meat.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. What's the eye?
Best meat to make book away is beef tender.
Yeah, her ten là good bụng. Bà don't have a can. Cái gì bó chót roast. Cái gì đó?
Brisket or
Yeah.
chuck roast.
Mình check for any meat.
Chuck roast and brisket, yeah, I know that's
Yeah, any
popular.
meat you like it.
Okay, so when I cut it later, then I cut it like that.
Yeah,
Right.
that's later. Okay, when the boil, you have to take out all the things on top.
I just
here.
skim it.
Yeah. You take. Bỏ thêm nước vô.
Đợi chút đang
All by taste.
Later boil, you have to put low. Okay.
Because if it's rolling boil, then it's color. It's cloudy, right?
Yeah.
Low, simmer, and if it so it's clear.
Yeah.
Right. All right. You can see all the scum at the top. It's time to skim it. Very clear. Low key already tastes like bone. One more.
Okay.
All of it?
Yeah. Right, you see all that fat right there?
Huh.
So the family doesn't really want to eat. I don't eat that fat, so I scoop it all out into a container and throw it away. The key to this thing without it foaming over is boiling right there.
Uh-huh.
You drop in one at a time, okay? The boil will come down, right? You see how it's still boiling, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you do that, there's less things for you to scoop up as far as, you know, the skimming part.
And that'll probably take 2-3 hours for the collagen to break down the oxtail, right?
Yeah, it's probably going to be 2 hours. The broth is ready to eat. Now we skim off the fat.
You want to turn the heat down now or no?
Oh, yeah, I do. You skim this out, you get to live another day. Eat another day. And stay away from the doctor. Less cholesterol issue. Only when you get into your 30s, you probably start taking cholesterol medicine. Not in your 50s. And then, here's the oil. It's already pre-made.
This is annatto oil. Usually use paprika.
Yes, paprika and oil. If I'm happy with the color, then I'll leave it. Happy with the color? Or need more?
I don't know. I guess it looks fine.
So pretty much your meal is done.
Since 9 o'clock to 6, this has been going for 9 hours.
Căn nhà chân mây lá làm sao có giá đi trăm cây vàng nè. Có mây lời bay lá, có manh thích bay ngay cho chàng nè. Về thưa ba thưa má mà vui quá xa nếu anh cưới nàng nè. Có mây lời bay lá, có ơi. Ơi cô em lấy đò à sao em nỡ làm ngơ. Anh mang theo tiếng đàn cò vẫn xuất khẩu thành thơ. Ơi cô em lấy đò à sao em nỡ làm ngơ. Anh mang theo tiếng đàn cò.
You probably make more money when you can make it at daddy's shop.